So here's a demonstration of what we have so far. So we have a donation history search where we can choose certain categories. So these are nonprofit categories. We can choose education, for example. We want to know who on average gives $100,000 to education. Click go. So in this time frame, in this date range, Michael Williams has given the closest to $100,000 on average to education. If we want to know the total, so who in total has given $100,000 to education, you click go. And David Taylor has given $126,000 total to education. And so the underlying data I just created on my own, and it looks something like this. So we have some made up names of different donors and the amount that they gave and the organization that they gave to. And so with this type of information, this is what we see here. So this is the total amount, so we'll go back to average amount. If we want to choose specific organizations, we can do that. So I'll just choose several and click go. And so Mark Rodriguez has given $100,000, is the closest one to have given $100,000 to each of these organizations. And let's see, there's a search feature here, so if you wanted to find a specific name, there's William, find William. Let's see, there's different subcategories. You can change the date range to different years. February of 2018. Go, change the numbers a little bit. And this tab is a proof of concept for if we wanted to look at donations over time by different categories, we could do something like this. So right now, this is just some made up data, but this is another feature that we could add in. Yeah, so let me know what you think, and I will include the link in the email so that you can try it out on your own. Thanks.